today we are in Longwood, Florida. I'm going to be showcasing a brand new townhome that's available. There are only 4 more left, 1 corner unit, 3 interior units. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button to continue to see property tours here in the Orlando and Central Florida area. I do both resale and new construction homes, and I'm a local real estate advisor, excited to help you get started in your relocation process or buying your first investment or primary residence here if you live locally. So all of the units on that side, on this building, and the one behind, those are all sold. The ones that are available are on this side. You're gonna have the corner unit, 214 available, 210, 206 I believe is sold, and then you have 202 that's available. So as you can see, these ones have black on the outside of the garage door. There's green. I believe the other ones on the other side are red, and these are going to be a nice navy blue, which is awesome. All right guys, let's get started with the tour. They have decorated this model very beautifully. Definitely makes it feel a lot more spacious for a property that's just about 1,500 square feet. Now in this model, you will find that they have white cabinets and white quartz countertops. You also have a white backsplash. Since there are 4 units left, there are only 2 more with the white cabinets and the white backsplash. One of them is an interior unit. The other one is a corner lot unit. The other 2 interior units do have gray cabinets and gray backsplash. Right now, the promotion that they're running, they are including the refrigerator, the blinds, and the garage door burner. Good thing is that even though it's a townhome, you do get 2 full spaces for a garage. So right here is where the garage would go. Right now it's being used as the sales associate's office. This is your pantry. Sink. It's not separated, which is nice. Then you have your living room area, half bathroom. And now let's check the upstairs. Upstairs, you are going to have all of the bedrooms. We are going to first look at the master bedroom. Here you can easily fit a king-size bed. And just to demonstrate, all of the homes on this side are already sold. However, you will notice that you have some street parking here. Carpet all throughout the 2nd floor. No changes can be done to the home. And you'll also get quartz countertops in the bathrooms. You have a spacious walk-in closet. Some additional storage. And And this is where your laundry would be. You have access to the attic here. The washer and dryer does not come included, so you do have the liberty of choosing your own when you decide to move in. You can easily fit in a queen bed in here. Now the two smaller bedrooms are the same size. However, since the other bedroom is decorated as an office, it actually does seem a little bit smaller. What do you guys think? Are they the same sized bedrooms?
Like I mentioned before, there are only 4 lots left in this community of 24 homes. The HOA is going for around $120 a month, and for the corner unit, that home is going for $375,000, whereas the interior units are going for around $365,000. For an FHA or VA loan, you are able to get into this property with an interest rate as low as 5.5% if you are financing. Now, market rates are currently around high 6 to 7% depending on your interest rate. But with this builder, if you go with their lender, you're able to lock in a much lower rate, and you're able to get closing cost assistance of up to $13,000. Like I mentioned before, washer and dryer isn't included. However, you do get the blinds for your windows, you get the refrigerator as well as the other appliances in the kitchen, and you get a garage door opener. You are in such an amazing location with this property, being just walking distance to coffee shops and what is known as the historic district of Longwood, Florida. You're about just 25 minutes to downtown Orlando. You're about 40-minute drive to the Orlando International Airport, and just about 30 minutes to UCF, one of the largest universities in the nation. And you're just about 30 minutes to Universal if you are a themed parks fanatic. Now, these homes are 100% move-in ready. So if you're looking to be in a home within 45 days, this is the opportunity for you. Call us today and we can help you get started with the pre-approval process and getting into securing one of the last units in this community. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the number or email listed above. Make sure to subscribe to continue to see videos on properties here in the Central Florida area, and I'll see you in the next video.